Okay, just giving you a few examples of some of the spirit boxes that are out there on the market. These are often found on eBay by a few of the rogue traders out there. I've had quite a few threats of some of these people about our equipment, been quite rude. So I just want to show you some of the equipment that you can pick up without any modification. So basically you can get yourself a nice free sweet radio. So as suggested, these can be found on eBay about £9. Not the best quality, but you know, if you're working on a budget, then why not give it a go? So you just pop the box on, a bit tacky, but you know, as suggested, does the job. So we press the mode button and just turn it down, so you'll hear the radio then. So you can step through the radio like that, and then if you press and hold the scan button, then basically the radio will just start to sweep endlessly until the end of the FM broadcast, when you just press the button again. So yeah, they can be picked up for about £8 to £10. Like I say, they do the job. A couple of people are shoving reverbs in them, and that's the type of thing it does. So like I say, for about £8 to £10 you can pick one of those up, save yourself any hassle. A bit more advanced, this is one of the radios we've built using a radio circuit and a reverb circuit, and also a little stepper, so it steps through the channels. So basically we've got two knobs on the top, one's for volume, and then we've got reverb as well. So obviously these come at a considerably higher amount, but they're a lot more reliable. They're actually being tested in the field at the minute for us by a few paranormal groups, one of those being Brooks Paranormal. Hi Jordan. And like I say, if you want to see some of the spirit boxes we've got online, visit our store at infraready.co.uk. That's infraready.co.uk. So, like for like, do the same job. This one, as I say, it's basically free of charge, whereas these boxes are looking to set you back £80 or £90. That said, when a few of the so-called hackers on eBay remove the front off of these and suggest that we've hacked it and change a few bits inside, etc., you'd probably be looking to be charged about 60 or 70 quid. So obviously the amount of thought and effort that's gone into this box versus something that you can pick up and basically do for yourself, it's a no-brainer. Thanks for watching.